Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to find trending topics with Copilot AI. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Copilot AI with just your phone. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your Bing app. So if you don't have Bing app already, successful download install on your phone, what you need to do, if you are using Android phone, just head over to your Play Store and search for Bing or Microsoft Bing AI for Android phone. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store and search for Microsoft Bing AI. Then install it and download it successfully onto your phone. After a successful download into your phone, next thing you want to do is to launch the app and it take you to this particular page. Now, when you get to this page, this is where you can now see how you can use this AI app to find trending topic for your content or for your marketing or what have you. Now, for you to use this particular Copilot AI to search for trending topics, so what you need to do is to simply click on apps right here. So it take you to this particular page. Now, the next thing you want to do is to simply click on trending right here. So it's going to take you to this particular page. So as at the time of making this video, these are the current trending topic from Georgia high school shooting, ABC news release from Trump. So basically, most of the trending news right here, most of the trending topic right here are coming from the United States of America. You can simply scroll down. The more you scroll down and the more you see trending topic that you can create content around. Let's, for instance, if we want to take a look at the first trending topic right here, which is over 200,000 views already. So let's simply click on that. Then you can read details about it, and from here you can create a content around it. And you can also make use of Microsoft Copilot to search for further information about it, about this particular topic, such as video about the topic, such as images about the topic. As you can see right here, this news here was trending in less than 1 hour, and in less than 1 hour, over 200,000 people have already searching for it. And this is making it a trending topic at the moment of making this. If you want to check more video, photo about a particular trending topic using Copilot AI, it's a very simple step you want to take. So what you need to do is to simply click on images right here. So you will have all necessary information about a particular trending topic. So right here, you can see this was posted 16 hours ago. This is the scene of suspected custody, and this is also another scene about the topic, and this is another scene. This one was posted 17 hours ago, 9 hours ago. You can scroll down and see more images about the topic. If you want to check on the video about the topic, you can swipe also. When you swipe, then you have to navigate to videos, just like so. And when you click on the video, you're going to see all video related to the trending topic. So from here, you can combine everything and create a unique content. So basically, this is how best to use Copilot AI to find trending topic for your content or your marketing or what. Hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Copilot AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.